is what I'm about to go to class in. It's really not that bad, I don't think, at least. Yeah, I'm not expecting any classes to be canceled. But yep, let's go take a shower. Yeah, I have an 8 a.m. It is almost 7. Yeah, I don't think anybody's gonna cancel their class. That guy's going pretty fast for the amount of snow on the ground. That's another thing. People actually just don't care. So I'm preparing for this weather. This is what I'm gonna wear. I'm just gonna wear a knitted black hoodie. It's quite heavy. Just some regular light wash jeans. And then I'm gonna wear these thigh-high boots. These ones are right here. All right, so I'll just reach in my shower closet, grab my shower caddy, and then put on my shower shoes, just flip-flops from the dollar store. And we're going. Yep, so that's how we go. I'm back from the shower. It was very hot because in this cold, it was very hot. Pro tip, if you don't want your toes to freeze in this type of weather, and I say toes because your hands, they can get frozen. I mean, yeah, hopefully not, but if they do, you can always warm them up. But your feet, your toes especially, are in socks, and if for some reason your shoes get wet, that means your socks are wet and you're stuck with it all day. You're uncomfortable, and it kind of hurts when your toes freeze more than anything else. So pro tip I have is I always wear fluffy socks in this type of weather, and not just one, double it up, because that's the only, oh, I have fluff everywhere. Oh, it's gonna get stuck in my hair. But double up the pair of socks you wear, make sure they're fluffy. All right, so now I'm just gonna go do my hair. So I have a little closet thing dedicated to it. Just reach into my miscellaneous closet, grab that. It's a little shower caddy that I turned into a hair caddy. I also have a paddle brush for this hairstyle. And yeah, I usually come to the window because I have a tiny mirror right here, but let's see if I can see myself when I do this. We might be a little late for class today, but honestly, it's pretty fine. Like, most professors understand. I mean, I'm not gonna be late because of the snow, but they don't think that. Girl, you knew that was not tight enough around your head. Yeah. So I live in a community style dorm, and I kept leaving to go use the mirror, the larger mirror in that bathroom because it has better lighting. So that's why I keep leaving. Your girl is back. Yeah. Okay. I spent quite a bit trying to look for bobby pins. My room is full of bobby pins. I can't find one. Does that make sense? No, seriously. have a lot of fluff, a lot of fluff on my clothes because I have this sweater dress and it's like full fur. And for some reason I decided to wash it with the rest of my clothes. And it's a white. So I washed it with the rest of my whites. And here we are. But, you know. So this is where I really struggle to put on my shoes. Just y'all just watch. I look good. You can't tell me nothing. Not one thing can you tell me. Basically, what the fit is. But yeah, snow ready. I'm like 10 minutes late to class, but at least I'm going. Let's head out, yeah? Turn this off real quick. Let's actually go to class. My keys. Did I leave my keys in there? I left my keys in there. Oh, well. Wow, I'm a joke. Did you guys know that? I don't think you guys understand. I really left my keys in there. Well, at least it's pretty nice outside though. Yeah, I left my keys in my room. Damn it. Oh my lord. Here we are. The actual ghetto. I just almost slipped. I should like check to make sure I actually don't have class. Let's do that. Back to the ghetto. All right, let's go. This is where I actually almost just fell. But actually, it's Not really that cold outside. At least I don't think. I can barely see, but those socks came in clutch because I can't feel nothing on my toes. It is pretty though. I'm not gonna lie, it's real pretty. I'm actually like almost 20 minutes late to class. But I'm gonna go because if I don't go, I'm gonna stay in my room until my 12 o'clock lab and I'm not gonna get anything done. So even if I don't go to class, I'm gonna go to campus so I can get this stuff done. But let me close my jacket, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Bye. So I'm basically here and this is what I chose when I decided I wanted to go to class today. That is exactly what I chose.